Welcome back to Kaj Kitchen, guys, and thank you for staying tuned. Today I'm going to prepare you a full dish, and that is a dish that consists of starch or carbohydrates, protein and vegetables. And for my vegetables, I'm going to use pigweed. Protein, I'm going to scramble egg. And for the starch, I'm going to use the white African polenta. With my egg, I'm just going to use spring onion, tomatoes, salt and pepper to season it. You can add as many spices as you want, but put in mind that your health starts in the kitchen. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so by clicking the subscription button below for this and many more videos to come. So our scrambled egg is almost ready. I'm going to serve it, to plate it first. And that's how it looks like. Then to my vegetable, that is the pigweed. I'm just removing the unwanted parts. You wash, then in a saucepan, heat oil, then add your washed pigweed. You saute it for 5 to 7 minutes. We don't want to lose its nutritional value. It needs to be green. When it's still green, you retain all the nutrients in it. And just like that, it is ready. I'm also going to serve it, to plate it in a bowl. And we prepare the African polenta, popularly known as ugali in Swahili. So with ugali, you just boil water until it reaches boiling point. You add your flour. I'm using the maize flour. You can use millet flour, you can use tapioca flour, you can use sorghum flour. In Africa, any cereal can make a flour. Allow your ugali to cook for a while, then plate all in one plate. Enjoy! See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. See you!